Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you my hair care routine and how I take care of my hair. So I feel like there has been a product missing in the hair care department in the market. When it comes to taking care of your hair from deep within, there has been a product missing. So here I have the Biolage deep treatment packs. Now these come in 3 variants and you have to choose according to your own hair type. So the very first variant is the Color Last pack by Biolage. This is meant for colored hair. So if you have like color on your hair, then this is the variant for you. It contains orchid and apricot seeds and it is meant for restoring and maintaining the color of your hair. It's also like gives you shine and vibrancy, so your hair will look like really nice, and if you have color on your hair then it won't be causing any damage. Now the next variant is the Ultra Hydro Source pack and it is meant for dry hair. So if you have dry hair, then this is the variant for you. It contains spirulina extract and aloe, so it just like strengthens your hair and it provides deep nourishment to your hair. It moisturizes your hair and leaves them soft and nourished. The third variant is the Smooth Proof pack. It is the deep treatment for frizzy hair. So if you have frizzy hair, then this is the variant for you. It contains camellia and castor oil, so it helps with the flyaways, the frizziness of your hair, and also with split ends. So it will help you achieve that sleek look, and this is also the variant that I have used because I have frizzy hair, especially in the monsoon time. So Biolage deep treatment packs have superfoods in them. They also have hair caring ingredients that I previously mentioned, and they also provide 90% more nourishment than the conditioner. So as the name suggests, the deep treatment packs provide nourishment from the deep within, and they are sold in 100 ml tubes and just for rupees 350. So it is super affordable because you can have hair care at home at just 350 rupees. Also they provide you with instant results, so 3 minutes is all that you need. So let's see how it works. The very first step is to shampoo your hair like you normally would, and then rinse off all of the excess water so your hair is left just damp and not wet. Now the next step is to apply the deep treatment pack by Biolage. Now my variant is the Smooth Proof variant, but you can choose your variant according to your hair type and your requirements. Now once you have done that, the first step is to section your hair. So segregate your hair into small sections and then apply the product on each section. After you have applied the product, just twist the section and spread the product across. Now the third step is to let it infuse, so let it sit there for 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes just wash off your hair like you normally would. Now here is the before and after using the Biolage deep treatment pack for myself. It really does provide instant results, and like you can just get results in 3 minutes, which is super amazing. So I no more have frizzy hair after using this, and believe it or not, it really works. Now you can also apply serum to your hair if you want, but honestly I didn't feel like the need to use it because the deep treatment pack honestly did everything for me. So you must be wondering, when and how many times do I need to use this product? Now you can use this product once a week. I do not suggest you use it more than that. So on the other days I just shampoo and condition my hair like I normally would, but on Sunday I use the Biolage deep treatment pack to nourish my hair, and it also provides you with instant results. I feel like my hair feels healthy from within, so I really suggest you use this product. It's just for 350 rupees, so what are you waiting for? Go in the link in my description and purchase this for yourself. Trust me, it really works. And thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like it and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to turn on the post notification bell. Check out Biolage deep treatment packs, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.